Hi everyone, I just want to let you know what we'll be doing this month on my Patreon. As you can see here on my screen right now, those are the poll results on what tutorial I'll be making this month. And it seems like we'll be making stylized weapon muzzle flash. Basically it's got the same amount of votes as the cast VFX, but it's first on the list, so I'm just gonna pick this one. What I'm gonna do with the cast VFX, I'm just gonna include that in the next month poll for my patrons, but I'm gonna put it first on the list in case, you know, the same thing happened. And I'm gonna include a couple more options in the next poll. Okay, right, so this one we're doing the muzzle flash, so let me go to the Unreal Engine now. Yeah, and as you can see, this is what I've got so far. We're gonna do a couple textures in Substance, and then I'm just gonna walk you through the process of how to implement the rapid fire or machine gun, if you like, and just a single fire of those muzzle flashes as well. Okay, we're gonna just learn a couple more techniques here in the materials, but majority of the time I think I want to spend in the Niagara this time, just to, you know, talk a little bit more about the timings and implementing various techniques like lock access in Niagara, because it's not as easy as it used to be in Cascade. It's still fairly easy, but it just requires a little bit more tweaks. And also majority of the time I just want to walk you through the timings and how I set up everything in Niagara. So yeah, this will be the content for this month, and I just want to say thank you for your support.